Hello friends, welcome to our channel Ashanna Rathipelly. In this video, I will show you a systematic English grammar.
Words used instead of nouns. Pronouns. Look at the pictures. Listen to me carefully. You are going to learn new words. I am a boy. Look at me. Did you notice something? In this sentence, I and me stand for the naming word boy. We are boys. Look at us. We and us here stand for the boys. You are a pupil. I like you. Here, you and you stand for the pupil. He is a carpenter. Look at him. He and him stand for the carpenter. She is a nurse. Look at her. In this sentence, she and her stand for the nurse. It is a tree. Touch it. Here, it and it stand for the tree. They are boys. Look at them. They and them stand for the boys. They are flowers. Smell them. In this sentence, they and them stand for the naming word noun flowers. Learn the words I, you, he, she, it, we, they, me, us, them are used instead of a noun. They are called pronouns. Repeat after me and learn. The pronouns he and him stand for one boy or one man. The pronouns she and her stand for one girl or one woman. The pronoun it stands for animal, a place or a thing without life. The pronouns they and them stand for more than one person, animal, place or thing.
Match the column A with the column B. Boy, plant, flowers, woman, beggar. They, it's them. He is him. He is him. It, it's she or hers. Boy, he is him. Plant, it's. Flowers, they, it's them. Woman, she or hers. beggar, he is him. Drag and drop. Drag and drags the pronouns from the sentences into the box given. We love our parents. We our Ashok is a boy. He is in his room. He is in is Ramu and Neetu are sisters. They are liked by all their teachers. They Latika is Ashok's sister. She is younger to him. Him. We are your guests. Give us source sweets. We your us.
Describing words. Adjectives. Look at the pictures. What do they show? Repeat after me. A tall boy. A short boy. A fat man. A thin man. Black shoes. White shoes. A young woman. An old woman. A high hill. A low hill. Hot water. Cold water. Let us stop here. In these 6 pictures shown, boy, man, shoes, woman, hill and water are naming words or nouns. The words tall, short, fat, thin, black, white, young, old, high, low, hot and cold are telling us more about the naming words. Let us look at some more pictures. A big car, a small car, a clean shirt, a dirty shirt, a thick book, a thin book, a new shoe, an old shoe, a long pencil, a short pencil, a wet towel, a dry towel. The words big, small, clean, dirty, thick, thin, new, old, long, short, wet, dry all describe the naming words car, shirt, book, shoe, pencil and towel. Learn. The words that describe nouns are therefore called describing words.
Drag and drop the describing words from the sentences here. A fat man, fat. A tall woman, tall. A beautiful garden, beautiful. A crying baby, crying. A blunt knife, blunt. Match the column A with the column B. Brown, ripe, dirty, sour, high. Mangoes, clothes, ill, shoes, lemon. Rip mangoes, sour lemons, sour lemon. High hill. Dirty cloth, brown shoe.
Adverbs. Look at